What type of fertilizer for Empire Zoysia? Zoysia grass is a popular variety of turf grass, but it requires careful maintenance. The trademark variety known as Empire Zoysia, available only through licensed nurseries, is more aggressive and broader leaf than other varieties. Time frame. Empire Turf recommends 3 fertilizations per year for Empire Zoysia grass, usually in spring, summer and fall. Observe your turf to identify any special needs such as damaged areas and test your soil to know the specific soil nutrition levels. Spring and summer fertilization. Empire Turf recommends a 16:4:8 time release fertilizer in the spring and summer. If you wish to improve the color, use a product that includes iron. Fall and winter fertilization. When fertilizing Empire Zoysia in fall and winter, use a more evenly balanced time-release fertilizer. Empire Turf recommends a 10-10-10 product. Again, use an iron additive, if desired, to improve color. Warning: avoid applying higher nitrogen fertilizer, except in the spring or when needed to recover from damage. The rapid leaf growth will make your turf more susceptible to disease and pests. Keep in mind that Zoysias in general tend to be slower growing than other turf grass varieties.